All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at the Bloom Cashmere, another really cool Bloom instruments by Excite Audio, the latest one in their series of Bloom instruments. They have a bunch of other ones, vocal chops, choir sounds, drums, all kind of things, bass. This one focuses on India, South Asian, and Bollywood style music, so it's really cool if you're, producing songs in that genre, or what to experiment within your own genre, if you will. There's a bunch of different pricing options. I'll put them in the video description below along with the link, because there's an introductory offer, there's an upgrade offer if you already have, or cross-grade rather, if you already have some Bloom instruments. You can buy the whole bundle of Bloom instruments for a discounted price as well, so check that out. And if you buy it on Plugin Boutique, they also offer a free plugin every month. It's always different. This month it's Bloom, or Pulse here, so check that out as well. Anyways, there'll be links down in the video description below for this and more details. Let's check out some of the sounds in here. Let's go. Okay, so much like all the other Bloom series instruments, we have a simple layout on the keyboard down here where we have patterns or hits. And then we have sequences over here on these black keys. And we can mix and match things if we wish. We could change the patterns over here as well. Just click on that little button down there, and we could have all these different options easily laid out. Percussion toppers, percussion, flute, vocals, and such. Drag them down to our thing down here. And we have key signature, so everything will be in key. You just put in whatever key your song is in. You just do that here, minor, major keys, all that stuff. And then we have effects here as well, double time, half time, pitch change, an octave up. Let's check this out. Control them with these black keys here, and we have these. And then we have reverse. So we can all do all kind of crazy stuff there. We got effects here. We got the lo-fi. Got the tube. Little tube saturation, if you will. I guess that's what that is. Little distortion and stuff. We got some width here. We got space, some reverb. And then we got even more controls down here. High cut, low cut, reverb, dynamics, noise. We have a randomize button down here. Just switch all these patches up. So all kind of crazy stuff there. And the presets, let's see here. These are song starters. Have all kind of fun that way. We got experimental patches, effects, melodic patches, got percussion patches. We got vocal patches. And so on and so forth. So, and then let's go back to one of these song starter ones here. We have an edit page here for the sampler. So, and we can load our own samples in here too, if you wish. And we have all kinds, you know, sampler kind of things: attack, release, volume, start times. Pitch. And then we have a sequencer thing here where we could change the sequence patterns and stuff like that as well. And we got our noise, dynamics, reverb, global effects. So pretty deep, but also pretty simple to use right off the bat. Let's exit out of here real quick. Go to some presets. Now, of course, you can use just the percussion toppers too if you're using a song that's not so Bollywood-ish, if you will. And you got different kind of things going on that you can use in different songs. You don't have to use the full patch, if you will, for all that kind of stuff. So here's something I just created, completely different genre of music. And then we'll throw some toppers on here, see how we could blend these things together as well. Of course, we don't have to just use the toppers. We can use any of these experimental effects, whatever. See what happens. Little off timing in parts, but you know, if you're doing this as a sequence, you'll fix that up. So some really cool things here indeed. So that's just a quick look at the Bloom KSHMR instrument here. Check the links in the video description below. There's all kind of offers for introductory offers. If you have the whole Bloom series, you can get the Bloom bundle. There's a lot of instruments in the Bloom series that work exactly like this for different things. They got some vocal ones, vocal chop ones, all kind of things. All right, so let me know what you think. Just a quick look here at the Bloom series, Bloom KSHMR. Like I said, there'll be links down in the video description below for all this. Leave some comments down there. Check out the latest deal, latest price. Use my link if you wish. Check out the other videos floating around the screen here. If you're watching on YouTube, other platforms, check my bio link, wherever you're watching this. Yeah, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.